Children, do you like going on a tour of the market? Let's go on a market tour with Appu and learn more about the three-digit numbers by grouping them. On the occasion of Appu's birthday, he has invited everyone to the party. To prepare for the party, he has come to buy some items from the market. Let us also walk with him. First, Appu visits Bunny Rabbit's stall. He has to buy hats for all the guests. I want 425 hats, Appu told Bunny. Bunny's business seems to be doing well. Look how crowded his stall is. Oh wow, see how fast Bunny is giving things to his customers. Appu immediately put forward his big bag. Bunny filled the hats in the bag at full speed. Appu did not get to know when Bunny filled his bag with hats. He gave money to Bunny for the hats and is returning home. Appu is counting the hats purchased from Bunny. What is this? Bunny gave Appu only 420 hats instead of 425 hats. Appu counted the hats twice, but found the counts to be 420 hats only. Appu is disappointed. He was thinking that he should have counted the hats in the market itself. But with such a crowd at Bunny's shop, he was unable to count them at all. The next day, Appu goes to the market again. Let's see what he buys today. Appu had asked Badbola uncle to stitch his clothes for the birthday. He has to pick up his clothes from uncle's shop. Appu sees some shining bags at uncle's shop. Uncle, what are these bags for? Appu asked uncle. Appu, nowadays there is a lot of crowd at Bunny's stall. He works fast, due to which he often makes mistakes in counting. So I have stitched these bags for myself, uncle told Appu. But how will you use these bags? Appu asked uncle. Suppose you have to buy 367 balls from Bunny. I have two types of bags. One in which you can keep 100 items and the other in which you can keep 10 items. Let's first count these balls one by one. But doing this will take a lot of time. So why not count them in groups of 10 using the bags meant for 10 items? But this will still take quite a while. So why not collect all 10 bags and make a bag of 100 items? In this way, we can easily count 367 balls with the help of these bags for 10 items and 100 items. If we do this, we will have 3 bags of 100 items, 6 bags of 10 items and 7 balls. Did you see, Appu, how fast we counted these balls? Uncle said to Appu. Oh wow, uncle, give these bags to me too. They will be very useful for me. After taking the bags, Appu has reached Bunny's stall. Give me 224 masks. Children, can you write 224 in expanded form? Yes, you have written it correctly. Bring the bag forward, Bunny told Appu. This time, Appu first puts forward 2 bags of 100. He then puts forward 2 bags of 10. Give me my money, Bunny said to Appu. First of all, give me the 4 masks remaining. Then I will give you the money, Appu said to Bunny. Bunny was shocked at how Appu could count all the masks so quickly. He gave Appu his 4 masks and took the money from Appu. Appu went home happily after taking his bags and 4 masks. So children, today we learnt to count 3-digit numbers quickly by grouping.